Hi, welcome to IOTTAG. We're going to show you our out-of-the-box next-generation RTLS system that can be installed within minutes, ready to track equipment, inventory, and personnel at a sub-2 meter accuracy. So the system is a wireless tracking solution which can be used for accurate tracking in both indoor and outdoor environments, and is comprised of these three components. First, we have the nodes. So these are the receivers that receive the location data and connect via a mesh network. The second is the gateway. So this is the endpoint which unites the mesh network and pushes the data to the cloud for processing. And then you have the tags, where there are many different personnel and asset tag options suitable for any use case. I've done a basic mock-up of the floor plan of our office here to demonstrate triangulation using nodes. Triangulation using nodes is the processing of location data by placing 3 or more fixed nodes around the office which act like receivers. Just like this. With triangulation, the asset tag, let's place it here, can be located and placed digitally on the map wherever it is in the offices like this. The system can also entertain simple linear placement to provide proximity-based tracking in which the asset is located in any predefined zone like this. And for instance, the asset is located here. So this is a useful case for instance, tunnels or manufacturing lines where the tag is detected and it checks in with the gateway that's covering that particular zone. And now I'm going to set this system up by setting up these 3 nodes and the gateway. So now I'll be strategically placing all the nodes around the office, and once they're all in place, they'll automatically connect and configure themselves. Here they are, so let's go. And then we just want to connect the gateway to a power point. It'll automatically turn on, and we'll place it somewhere where it's not going to be disturbed. Now, the online portal provides a digital replica of the physical space. And with the nodes put in their desired positions, the cloud location engine processes the live data and calculates the asset's position. Now, IOTTAG Systems helps to automate business processes by collecting, reporting, analyzing, and acting on the data received. So let's take you through how this all works on our IOTTAG Atlas platform. So this is your dashboard where you have an overview of all your assets or personnel that you track. This particular demo account is set up to monitor a tunneling project in Sydney, Australia. And this dashboard provides all the information about your asset tags, which is audited on a daily basis. And it shows you which assets are on-site and which assets are off-site using this map down here. And at the bottom, we have an overview of your system health. So information about your gateways, your reference beacons, and your mobile apps. So let's move to the indoor map tab to see the project which is being monitored, which in this instance is the M6 tunnel to Sydney going to the airport. On this map, you can see all your gateways, and if you click the gateway, you can see all the personnel that have been tracked in that area in real time as well as recently. You also have an overview of all your gateways, which ones are active and which ones are offline in this side menu here. Next up, let's move to Insights and Site Activity, which gives you a detailed view of all your assets that are on-site and all your assets that are off-site. And if you click on Display Asset Spread, you get a more detailed overview of the status of all your assets. You can also break down all this data into zones by using our filters here. Next up, we have our Alerts Management. Now, our alert screen provides many predefined and custom configuration to generate dynamic alerts. Geofence alerts enables alerts to be triggered from entry and exit of both indoor and outdoor spaces that you define on your map here. You have room level alerts, you have check-in and check-out alerts, time-lapse based alerts, or custom alerts based on your business rules. You can set alerts based on individual assets or categories and deliver alerts by email, SMS, or MMS, or by periodic reports. Next up, I'm going to show you our tag reports, which gives you a complete overview of the system's health and the health of all the assets. And if we click on expected lifespan, we get a projected overview of when every asset tag is due for maintenance, so you can plan ahead and keep your system active at all times. Lastly, we're going to show you how in-depth the data and information you get about each asset tracked can be. So this is the list of assets we have tracking in the system. If we go into history here, we can see real-time information about where the asset is underground in the tunnel and the historical information of where he or she has checked in or out You can either use this horizontal scrubber here, or you can look at the list here. This can all be used for in-depth historical auditing purposes. And that has been our brief overview and demo of our Atlas platform. The information covered today serves to provide a general understanding of our latest technology, and we hope you found it helpful. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how IOTTAG can help empower your business units, book a demo online or speak to one of our account managers.